What if your computer could predict the future? Not just react, but learn, evolve, and decide smarter than any human ever could? Welcome to the world of machine learning. Hey, I'm Darwish, your guide in this ML journey from zero to AI hero. I'm a software engineer who made the shift into AI, and this course is the roadmap I wish I had from day one. Machine learning is not just a tech buzzword, it's a complete revolution, changing how industries operate, from diagnosing diseases to detecting fraud to powering the apps you use every day. At its core, machine learning is about training machines to learn from data. Instead of writing static rules, we create systems that can adapt, improve, and even surprise us. In this course, you'll discover not only how it works, but how to apply it to real world problems. By the end, you'll have projects under your belt, confidence in your brain, and something solid to show in your portfolio. What if machines could make better decisions than people, not because they're smarter, but because they never forget, never sleep, and always learn? In this module, we explore how machine learning is transforming every industry, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and logistics. ML is not just a tool, it's a mindset shift from writing logic line by line to teaching machines through examples. You'll learn how it connects human intelligence with computational power, unlocking patterns we could never spot on our own. Let's flip the switch from traditional programming to intelligent systems. You're not just learning ML, you're learning how to build the future. Imagine teaching your computer to recognize phases, detect fraud, or recommend music without writing the logic yourself. That's machine learning. I still remember my first ML project. It wasn't perfect, but the moment I saw my model learning from data, I knew I was onto something bigger. Machine learning is a branch of AI where we train models on data so they can learn to perform tasks like classifying emails as spam or predicting house prices. Unlike traditional programming, ML doesn't rely on explicit instructions. Instead, it finds patterns and relationships inside the data all by itself. It's like giving your program eyes and instincts. It adapts with every new piece of data. In this course, you'll not just see how it works, you'll build it, play with it, and deploy it. Let's demystify ML together.